Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Emma, and today I'll show you how to draw Labubu Dress Be Latte with easy step-by-step instructions. Please like and subscribe if you follow along, and let's get started. First, let's draw Labubu's super cute hat. So we're gonna start with a slightly curved line going across the top. And from each end of the line, we're gonna draw a slightly curved line going downwards, like the size of a teacup. And we are going to connect the two lines with another curved line at the bottom to form the head shape. Now let's frame Labubu's face inside the cozy hat. Below the head, we're gonna draw a big, gentle U shape, and this will be the inner part of his face. It should be wide and friendly, almost like he's ready for a big hug. Inside the U shape and near the top, we're gonna draw two big ovals. Make them nice and big so he can see all the yummy lattes. And inside each oval, we're gonna draw a smaller oval for the pupils, and then a tiny circle for the little sparkle. Now let's shape in the rest of the eye. In between the eyes, we're going to draw an upside down triangle for the nose, and then a big curved line for the big smile. To draw the teeth, we're going to find the center of the curve and draw two teeth in the middle, and then we're going to add 4 on the right and 3 on the left. Now let's draw the outside of his face. From the sides of the head, we're going to draw two curved lines that curves outwards and then downwards, like the size of a soft marshmallow. But we're not connecting them at the bottom yet because we need to leave a space for his scarf. Now let's draw the ears. From the top of the head, we're gonna find the center and 2 points. On each side, we're gonna draw a long oval shape that sticks up. Inside each ear, we're gonna draw a smaller, similar oval shape to show the inner part of the ear. And remember, there are 3 layers. Now let's draw the super cozy scarf. So from the right side of his neck, where we left the face open, we're gonna draw a curved line going downwards towards the left. We're gonna add another shorter angled line and add a few folds to make it look extra soft. We can now close off the bottom of the head. Now it's time to draw the comfy sweaters. So from the end of the scarf, I'm gonna draw 2 angle lines going outwards and downwards for his shoulders. And now let's draw the sleeves. Now let's finish the warm scarf. From the neck, we're gonna draw a long shape that drapes down over his chest. This is the hang part of his scarf. And you can even draw some tassels at the bottom. And Labubu needs a place to carry his snacks. So on the left side of his body, we're gonna draw a small rectangular shaped bag. Now let's finish the sweater. So below the scarf and the bag, we're going to connect the bottom with a slightly curved line to create the hem of his sweater, and it should look wide and comfy. For his tiny hands, at the end of each sleeve, we're gonna draw a thumb and followed by a little mitten-like shape peeking out. We're almost done. Now below the sweater, we're gonna draw two short, slightly curved lines going downwards for his legs. Draw a straight line at the bottom and another short line to draw the leg. Do the same on the other side. And now let's draw the shoes. I'm going to start with the bottom of the shoes first. And then from the end, I'm going to draw a curved line that connects to the back of the shoe. These shoes should look very sturdy and ready for adventures. For the next part, I will color it using all of my brown and beige markers. Now take out all of your brown and beige markers as well, and let's color it together. Feel free to pause if you need more time, and when you are ready, let's begin. And there you have it, your very own Labubu Dress Be Latte, ready to snuggle. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss my weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.